Today we are going to be creating all the services we need. If you are joining for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. So let's go to the services folder. So how it works is that when you go to type on the browser http localhost, what happens is the request is going to hit a controller. And we've created all our controllers at this point. And now the controller actually will talk to the service. So that to the service, right? From the browser, from the client to the controller, which is all these controllers we created. And controller now talks to the service. So let's create all the services. So let me keep this page open and let's start with, again, all the controllers you created must have services. So let me start with clients. I'm going to create, and the name is going to be client service. So the same naming convention as the controller, but this time you use the name service, and you are going to add the annotation at service annotation right there. Okay, so I'm going to save everything, and then Control Shift O on your keyboard is going to add the namespace. So I'm going to save everything, and everything is fine. So let's go ahead to copy across and create every other service. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. All right, so at this point, I've created all the services, and the next thing we are going to be doing now is to create the repositories, and let's move on.